Okay, it is a machine, but this is a manual machine. So with a manual, you need a bit of more of your energy, well, wine to make it work. Electronic, you just have to plug it into a socket and then you turn on a switch and you're good to go. Come closer.